Hi everyone, my name is Sanjana Arora and today's video is going to be about hair botox. So I recently got my hair treated with this hair treatment of hair botox, and I am going to share my experience in which first of all I'll tell you what was the condition of my hair before hair botox and what's the condition after it, and what was the main reason for which I got my hair botox. Then the second thing that I'm going to share with you is the thing that we question the most about: is it going to damage our hair? The third one is like for what duration it is going to last. Will it last for 1 month, 2 month, 1 year, or what? I'm going to share that with you. Then I'm also going to share with you how much did I pay for it, and obviously the aftercare products that we are supposed to use. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first thing first, my natural hair, the non-botox one, do not look like this at all. They used to be very curly, very frizzy. Like even if after using the hair straightener, my hair would look so untamed and frizzy that it was very difficult for me to make videos. So every single time I would wash my hair, I had to use a hair dryer properly, and then after that I would always use that hair straightening brush. It was like non-negotiable for me. I had to use it. And even after that, I used to have that frizz on my hair that I was so like disturbed because of that, and I ended up trying all the products available in the market, but nothing was helping me control my frizz. I'm going to attach a photo of how my frizzy hair looked even after using a straightener. So my situation was pathetic. So I thought that, see, anyways I am using heatening devices every single day, so that was anyhow damaging my hair. So I thought that instead of using it every single day, let's get them treated properly with some professionals once and for a long time, so that I stop using the hair dryer and hair straightener. So this was the reason for which I went to hair botox. Like there were multiple treatments. There was cysteine, smoothing, cara smoothing, and whatsoever in this world, but I decided to go for hair botox because this was the one which everybody said is the safest one because of the less amount of chemicals involved. See, people are going to say there are no chemicals involved, but that is not true because chemicals are involved in botox. That is why it's a hair treatment, right? So hair botox is basically like deep conditioning, but chemicals are involved. So you have to accept the fact that if you're getting your hair treated and the natural form is changing, it is only because some chemical is being involved in it. So if you don't use hair dryer or hair straightener on daily basis, then you can say that botox is going to damage your hair. But if you're someone like me who is anyways using a hair straightener every single day, because I was actually using it every single day before making videos, so if you're doing that, then hair botox is going to cause you much less damage, and this I'm telling you with experience. So this is the number one thing. The second thing is, this is not the first time I got my hair botox. I got my hair botox the last year, but that one was a disaster. Why? Because I went to the wrong place. So I went to a salon and I told them that I want to get my hair botox, and it was a new salon. I experimented. I don't know why, but I did. So they botoxed my hair. I could not see any difference. It was just like I got a spa done. The texture of my hair didn't change. I'll attach a photo of that as well, that how my hair looked after botox the last time. So that time there was no change at all, but I would not blame it on the botox treatment, because this time when it was botox from the place where I actually trust, where I go to every single time, the difference immediately was different, and also the way they carried it was different. I was like, I got it done the last year as well, but it was not this way at all. So that means the previous time when I got it done, it was just that I got it done from a wrong place. So please don't try to save those 1000, 2000 rupees by getting it from a place that you don't have faith on. Just get it done from the right place, because this is a treatment that is going to run on your hair for a long time. It's not like a spa, right? So it's going to run for a long time. So get it done from a trusted place. This is my number one suggestion for you if you want a good hair botox done. Now let me tell you how much did it cost me. I got it done from a place that's nearby my house, and I go there quite often, so I trust them. And that person always tell me the truth. Like if I'll ask him to do my smoothing, he would straight away refuse that, please don't get it done. So I got it done from there only. Over there the cost was 7,000 rupees for the length of my hair, but because it was their birthday month, so I got it on 50% off, so it was 3,500. Now because I inquired at multiple places, there were places which were offering even at the price of 2,000, but I decided that this time I'm not going to take that risk, because last time when I got it done, it served me nothing at all. So this time I got it done from a nice place, the place I know, the place I rely on, and I can see the difference, and I can feel that something has been done to my hair. My hair is like nourished, they are smooth, they are shiny, and obviously they are straightened as well. Now let's talk about the process of hair botox. Well, see, the process actually differs from the place that you are getting it from, right? There are some places which complete it in just one sitting, and some take two. Mine took two. Now I'll tell you what happened in my case. The first day I went over there, they washed my hair. That day it took me around 3 to 4 hours, I believe. Yeah, somewhere in between 3 to 4 hours. So first they washed my hair properly, and then they blow dried it, and then they applied the botox cream, which is like the main, the main ingredient of this entire treatment. And when they applied it, they even foiled up my hair, like they covered it up with foil, and then they straightened it. Now people will think that why are they straightening it, because this is not smoothing, right? So that straightener was used so that the product can be locked into the hair, right? So that was just for that purpose, that he straightened my hair. So he told me that it's going to last for 30 to 40 wash, but the condition is that I need to stop using any kind of shampoos, the kind of normal shampoos that I'm using, and I need to switch to sulfate and paraben free. So this time I think I'm going to listen to him, and I have ordered this shampoo and I'm going to use it, and I'm going to share the results as well. But my friend has already been using it, and she has told me that the results of the shampoo are quite good, and this one is not very expensive as compared to the other shampoos of this quality that exists in the market. So I'm going to try up this shampoo, and I'm going to let you know that is it actually helping me out. But see, if, because I told you that I got it done the last year as well, so I'm able to compare the difference, right? So I am telling you this thing with complete honesty, that the kind of happiness that I'm having this time is actually real, but whatever happened the last time did not help me at all. So I'm telling you, hair botox is the right thing, but what is more important is get it done from the right person, because that really really matters. See, when you are going for hair spa, haircut, manicure, pedicure, you can experiment with places, you can go for places which do not cost a lot to save money. But when you're getting some treatment like this done, which is going to stay for a longer period of time, please go only at a place that you can rely on, somebody whom you can question later on if things don't go right. So that's what I did this time, and I'm actually quite happy with the results, and I won't have to use hair straightener every single time that I'm gonna make a video, and this is really gonna help me a lot. But how it actually goes, whether it stays for 5 6 months or something, this is something that I'm going to share with you over time, so that I can share the real time update with you. But the first time result that I'm having right now is commendable. I am loving it, and I would definitely recommend, if you want to get done, if you want to get rid of the hair frizz that you're having, please get this treatment done, because this is going to help you a lot. So if you want to see what the results turned out to be after 1 month, stay tuned to my channel, because I am going to post the update video. And yes, on this channel I usually post videos related to personality development, language, English and French. So if you're interested in any of that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you're having any kind of doubts related to hair botox, please feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, because when I had to get this treatment done, I was struggling with Chat GPT, right? I was asking Chat GPT what needs to be done. So you don't need to ask Chat GPT, ask me the real time experience, and I'm going to share the unfiltered version with you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.